Hi guys, what's up? I'm Swati. Welcome back to my channel. And in today's video, we are exploring the beautiful Udupi. Udupi is a coastal town in Karnataka. I feel like when it comes to Karnataka tourism, Ghats are really famous, Western Ghats are really famous, coffee is really popular, and a lot of people travel to Coorg, Chikmagalur. But when it comes to coastal tourism, I feel it is a little underrated. So in today's video, we are exploring Udupi. So right now, we are in the resort where we are staying. So we are staying at the Paradise Lagoon. It's a very beautiful property and they have the most amazing view of the backwaters. Let me give you a quick tour of this place. Last night we've already managed to mess up the room a little bit, but let me show you the view. It is
the sun is coming up, are you ready to go? We can take a ride, we can take it slow. Yo, well, it's my law, I'ma let you be the boss, cause I'll go where you go. I'll take you to a place we can see it all. Step off the edge, I can break up.
Our first spot for the day is the Kemenu Bridge. It connects Padukudru and Timmana-Kudru. This is a suspension bridge. It's been 30 years that this is built. It's quite stable actually. A little wobbly but still stable. Apparently this was built by defense cadets, which makes me a little proud. At this place you can also go kayaking or boating, or you can just come here and take some pictures. That's what I am doing. But yeah, it's actually quite nice to be here. It's a little hot today, but anyways, feels pretty good.
And tonight is our playground. We are kings of the world. And anywhere it's homebound, we are kings of the world. And tonight is our playground. We are kings of the world.
Now we have come to a place called Kodi Bengre Delta Beach or the Bengre Beach. Now this is the Bengre village and that side is the Bengre Beach. Now there are a lot of beaches in Udupi. You can go beach hopping if you like. What's really special about this particular beach is that here the river meets the sea. So that side is the river and this is the sea, and it's a pretty cool landscape.
Turn to the other side. If you stay right here, I might move my hand to your face. It's been a long and tiresome day. I've been waiting to come home and give you everything that I have. Now we could stay awake all night and have dinner in bed. Slowly watch as the sun rises, or fall asleep instead.
It's lunchtime now and we have come to a very cool place. This is called Aruna Shack. It's a very small place and it's very close to the Delta Beach. It's on the road, so you will spot it. This had really good recommendations by many locals, so you can't really go wrong. So apparently here you get really good seafood and also toddy. So that's what we're here for. I'm really excited about this place because I've heard so much that I really want to try it. Toddy brings back so many memories for me. This is definitely not the first time I'm having toddy. So I had toddy for the first time when I was 4 years old. So a little bit of story. So I'm basically from Kerala, and even in Kerala they make toddy. So we are from Alleppey district of Kerala, where toddy is pretty popular. So we had lots of coconut trees in our house, and one guy came and he got toddy, and I just drank it. Like, he actually came to take toddy from the tree, and I just had it. So toddy, whenever I have toddy, that's what I remember, and it's a very special drink for me.
Every day should be like a hovering cloud. Woo-hoo-hoo, when it's only you and me. No one else can bother us, step on our feet.
I missed out.
Oh no, step on our feet.
So good. It's like home food. Done with lunch, and it was so good. And guess what? It was super inexpensive. We paid 550 rupees for everything that we had, including the toddy. And we have, this is Adeline. She's Hidu's friend.
So bad.
Oh, you look good.
Hi.
She is one of those
Awkward.
locals who actually recommended this place. So thank you.
I hope you had fun.
Yeah, loved it, loved it. So now it's been a while that I vlogged, and this is Rohan here. So as you can probably see, we are going to go surfing. So right now we are at the Malpe beach, and yeah, it's a pretty good place for surfing apparently. And how are the waves today?
Yes, pretty good for the beginners. You can just
Which I
glide
am,
through.
which I am. So hopefully catch some waves, and I don't know how much I'll be vlog, but let's see. Surfing. My brother and I had a fun surfing session that day, but unfortunately, I've lost all the clips of surfing. So a little bummed about that. But I still wanted to upload this here so that I want you to know that surfing is an option in Udupi. Done with surfing. Honestly, this was not one of my best surfing days. I feel like in 2019, coincidentally, I was surfing quite a lot, and because of which I was getting better at it. I was so happy about it. But now that I surfed after almost 11 months, I feel like I've gone back to where I started from. So yeah, a little bummed about that. Now, surfing as an activity, it looks very easy, but it is actually quite difficult and also very exhausting. Especially if you're a beginner, it's pretty exhausting. So now I'm a little exhausted, and as you can see, I'm ready for bed. So I'm gonna crash now, and I'll see you all tomorrow. Hi guys, day 2 in Udupi, and once again we are back at the Malpe beach. We were here last evening for surfing, and this is the most popular beach in Udupi. It's a really pretty beach, very long, and therefore it is also really crowded. In the evening it was very crowded. Right now it is relatively quieter. There's still a lot of people, and also you have the option of water sports, very many water sports here. So yeah, it's a very pretty beach. We'll just chill here for a while, and then we'll head to our next spot.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know, really wanna know.
Our initial plan was to go to St. Mary's Island from Malpe Beach, but now we won't be doing that because due to COVID, they have some restrictions on the number of boats that can go to St. Mary's. And if you want to go to the island, then we have to wait for 2 hours for the boat to come. And once we get on the island, then we have to wait there for 2 hours for another boat to come and take us back. So that's a total of 4 hours, and I don't think we have so much time on us. So it's a little bit of a bummer because I really wanted to go to St. Mary's Island. About St. Mary's Island, it's actually a pretty cool place. There are these huge rocks there which are similar to that of Madagascar. Legend has it that Madagascar was actually a part of India over 88 million years ago, and then it drifted, and now it's a part of Africa. So I was pretty excited to see that, but I don't have 4 hours. And also, when Vasco da Gama discovered India, he actually made a pit stop at St. Mary's Island, and he in fact named it St. Mary's, dedicating it to Mother Mary.
The sun is coming up, are you ready to go? We can take a ride, we can take it slow. Your will is my law, I'ma let you be the part. ask us out.
We have now come to Adeline's house, and she has such a cool house, and there's this huge farm.
Hi.
This is Adeline, and this is her sister, Angeline.
Yeah.
And we are now, they are going to give me a tour of their farm, and they
Yeah.
claim that they have so many things here. What all you have here?
We have trees. We have a lot of fruits. We have a lot of fruits. We have a lot of fruits.
And you have
And then-
trees.
And trees. And you'll see. Stay tuned. Keep watching.
So going to have some local fruits. What is this called?
Bimbli.
Bimbli. It's sour. I like it.
So this is called Louis and it's extremely sour.
Louis, Louis.
Is that?
Yeah.
Awkward. I'm trying to. I think it will be a fail. This is not ripe yet. So when it's ripe, this opens by itself. And yeah, you see, this is the seed. It's more black. And this is the spice they use.
Got so many souvenirs from Udupi. Yay! So that's all for the walk. Adeline, you definitely do have lots and lots of trees.
Yeah.
And so informative. It was actually so cool. I got so many souvenirs from the farm. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the video. You want to say something?
I hope you guys enjoyed it. So
Yeah, I hope you enjoyed, and if you enjoyed watching this video, then please do give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing if you're new here. And I'll
yeah,
see
like and subscribe.
like and subscribe. So I'll see you very soon with another video. Till then, take care and bye bye.